Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Vela Technologies PLC. So if you look at this chart, so this is a big trend. So let me just check the daily chart movement and then we are going to discuss about the big trend which the stock has found, okay, over a period of years. So this is what you can see in the daily chart movement. Okay, so now this is your downside end of the range and this is your upper side end of the range, and this is probably the extra kind of bit which the stock has fallen again bounce back. So the current support will come at around 0.04 and your target will come at around 0.08, and if it falls below 0.04 then you have 0.03. so this kind of range are very minuscule, and this is probably one of those stocks which can move very faster either on the long side or on the short side. So the first thing that you need to understand is this, that if you don't understand the movement of this kind of stock, just stay away out of it. Okay, this could probably give you big bucks. So if you look at this movement, so this is 110%. So for a short period of time you can make lots of money, okay, within a trading session, probably double your money. But understand this, if you look at this trading pattern, okay, this kind of mechanical trading pattern, which is nothing but more like an ECG diagram. A ECG is much more volatile than this sometimes, but this kind of trading pattern show that there are hardly any trends in some of the days where either you have no trade zone because there are no buyers or sellers, or nobody want to buy at that selling price and nobody want to sell the same and the opposite are the same, or you have down days, means there are no buyers, and sometimes you have updates where there are no sellers. So these kind of trends are very dangerous if you don't understand this game. Okay, so you should be very aware about this kind of movements of the chart. So if you don't understand that, you just stay out of it. That is the simple thing which you could do, because there are lots of stocks probably you can make a couple of less bucks, but you should know how much risk you could probably take. Because what will happen, that if things goes bad or things turns not in favor for you, you will probably make a big loss. Okay, so that's what you need to understand here. So rest is up to you, but these kind of trends are very dangerous. Okay, it will probably give you lots of bucks, and because the stock or the share is so small in its price, that if it can move 1000 or 10,000% in a day, also it doesn't matter, because it hardly reaches 1 or 2 in if you ask about the absolute numbers. Now if you look at the bigger trend, so this is the daily chart pattern, but if you are looking at the bigger trend, okay, this is your big trend or the monthly chart. So understand one thing here, that the previous high which the stock has made in the year 2000, where the share price was probably 27,976 or probably 11,000 whatsoever. So I don't know, I mean, you should ask yourself that if the stock is falling down from the last 2 decades, then what are the probable reasons? Okay, you shouldn't think about that where the stock has fallen enough and nothing to lose. You must think that the reason behind this 2 decade fall, and if this question doesn't come to your mind, the reason behind this fall, then you are definitely on the wrong path. And if you are thinking that why this script is not moving up because it has fallen too much. Okay, so this is not the question. It can probably goes to zero if it has fallen like this in last couple of decades, 1 or 2 decades. Then you should find out the reason first. Okay, so there is also a possibility that it can go zero. Anyhow, so this is a bear market trend. First thing that you need to understand, this is a bear market chart. Okay, and a bear market chart does have sharp rallies on the upside, and you should be aware about that. And if you don't, probably you will lose lots of money. Okay, because if you just carried away with the trend, and once the trend or the bounce back ends, then there is no turning back on the downside. So this is what you can see here as a trend. This is the resistance and this is the support level, and the stock has made its current support at 0.03. Now I have already told you that it can go much higher, but you should decide whether you want to take that risk or not. It is up to person's risk appetite. So there is no surety that the particular script will go to that level, or if it goes, whether it will sustain or not, whether it will sustain, then it will move further or not. So there are lots of questions. So if you look at the long term trend, so this is your support, and your resistance will come at around, or the target, first target will be at around 0.15. Once it crosses that, then your next support, next target or resistance will come at around 0.32, and then you have 1.6. Okay, so from the current level to 1.6, this is a 2000% rise. So that's why I'm saying that if it does moves to 1, 2 or 3 in terms of absolute number, so in percentage terms it is like 2000 or 3000%, but in absolute terms it is a very less. But the actual question is about the risk. Okay, so currently what we can look at is limited to only these levels. On the downside, you have your support at 0.03, and if it falls below 0.03, you must get out from this particular script. Otherwise, the next target will be very closer to zero. So you understand this one. Okay, now on the upside, you have your first target as 0.15, then 0.32, then 1.16, and probably 4.2. But these are your big targets or big levels, and these are your big resistance as well. So you should be very much aware about your risk and the kind of trade you want to do, if you want to do in this particular script. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.